Ding dong, darling. New week come through, girl. Outre is ticking all the boxes with this one, honey.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Declan in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs on the front, your 1 comb on the back, and your adjustable straps. This one does also come with an elastic band. It is pre-plucked, and you do get 13 by 5 HD lace parting space. So let me just come in, honey, and show you these baby hairs, show you this hairline and all of that goodness, y'all. I was so torn on just wanting to do a unit and just have no baby hairs because this hairline is perfection and you don't need baby hairs, but like it's just something with me. I just feel more comfortable with my little, at least my little mini swoop. So as y'all can see, like I said, it does come with baby hairs. This hairline, y'all, is wonderful. Honestly, minimal work needed. This was a super quick and easy install. Outre! We know that the Outre Tatian unit was trash. I feel like Outre honestly listens to us when it comes to cap construction, when it comes to what they're doing wrong with their units, what they're doing right with their units, because, honey, it's like they took the notes, and this unit should have been the Outre Tatian unit. I'm not getting any trackage, honey. It's sitting pretty flat. You can go in and add heat up to 400 degrees. I did just use my wax stick, but I think I could definitely use a little bit of heat, but I'm lazy, so I didn't feel like adding heat onto this one. This unit, honey, is 28 inches. It's a long unit. I love the length on this one, you guys. So it is coming below my boobs. It's pretty long, but the fact that the density is super lightweight, I feel like makes it seem like it's going to be more manageable. The density on this one is like 130% to, I won't say it's 150%. I think what's making the hair feel like the density is a little bit fuller than it actually is probably the texture. Now, the texture is not yucky, it's not silky, it's something in the middle. It is leaning a little bit more towards silky, you guys, so definitely keep that in mind. I did definitely notice a lot more snags than I would like to admit. That definitely could be because this is a mix of both those textures together and also the fact that it is a longer unit. The snagging is not necessarily enough for me to just be like, this unit is done for, because everything else about it is amazing, and it's a synthetic long unit. Of course, you're going to get tangling. I didn't really get shedding. I did notice straight out of the package, it did have those nice crinkles, so I was thinking it was going to be super yucky, but it's not. It has some weight to it. It has a mix of both silky and yucky, so definitely keep that in mind, you guys. So the cap size on this one, I know y'all going to be excited. Honey, the cap size on this one, definitely small, medium, and big head friendly. The stretch on this cap, Yes, Outre, you're listening to us. There's a good amount of stretch. The cap is super, super breathable. Outre is one of the few companies that actually listens to the things that we're saying and then takes that and steps up their game with future units. And also one of the good things about these new units that they're dropping, they did also go in and add some new colors. So I feel like they're taking notes as far as what we're saying about construction, about wanting to see new colors, about parting, about hairline. They're just ticking all the boxes. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con is probably going to be, just like I said, the snags that I was getting, a little bit more than I would like to see, but nonetheless, I feel like I should just definitely let them be known. You're going to be getting some snags with this unit, honey, but that's probably definitely going to be my only con with this unit. My pros are definitely going to be the hairline's amazing, the baby hairs are amazing, the density, the look, the baby hairs, the lace. The lace, definitely do note, y'all, this is a little bit leaning more towards the white cast sort of vibe that Sensational gives. It's not as crazy as the Sensational What Lace collection, but it is definitely something to note. I did go in with my Eben Lace Tint Spray and my concealer, and I still do feel like I'm getting a little bit of a white cast. It doesn't seem that bad though. I feel like the lace on this one is really good. It's definitely super thin. Like I said, the cap is stretchable. As far as this is concerned, I definitely would pick this one up again. I definitely feel like they came with it with this one. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.